As Sandalwood drug probe widens, Karnataka crime branch questioned star couple Digant Manchale and his wife Andrita Ray for about 4 hours. They were grilled by the CCB. Now it's likely that the CCB will call them back, the actors, again for questioning. In fact, Karnataka police sources reveal that both of them allegedly consumed weed and other synthetic drugs widely at parties. The actors were also seen partying with another accused, Rahul Tonse. Meanwhile, actor Ragini Dwivedi continues to be in prison as the Bengaluru court adjourned her bail plea hearing to September 19th. Ragini has now been remanded to judicial custody until September 28th, even as another accused, Sanjana Galrani, is currently in police custody. Meanwhile, accused Aditya Alva, who is also the son of former Karnataka minister and also brother-in-law of actor Vivek Oberoi, is untraceable since the 4th of this month. He is accused of organizing parties and all parties where drugs have been consumed as well. Here right now we hear that Ragini's bail plea has been postponed. Sanjana to remain in custody. Andrita Ray and Digant, who you see on the right hand side of your screens, prominent names within the Sandalwood film industry. Both of them have been summoned for allegedly consuming drugs widely in parties. Now, do they have links to any peddlers? Have they been pushing drugs? Of course, all that will be probed and questioned. Both these stars have attended the summons at 11 a.m. this morning. They were grilled for about 4 hours. But unlike Ragini and Sanjana, who were taken into custody, here Digant and Andrita Ray were let go. They were asked to go back home. They will be summoned if need be. More likely so that the CCB will be calling them back for another round of questioning, but in time. No date has been given to them, but they've been grilled for about 4 hours and were let go. Whereas Ragini and Sanjana, both of them were kept in custody, and their custody now only extends. Nolan Pinto joining us live for more details on that. Nolan, take us through what's happening. Sandalwood drug probe there, widening, intensifying. You have several other names now popping up. You have Sandalwood actors Digant and Andrita now, who's been called in for questioning and grilled for 4 hours. But unlike Sanjana and Ragini, who were taken into custody, here you have Andrita and Digant were let go. They were asked to leave after 4 hours of grilling. What really is the difference here in terms of the findings the CCB has got?
Well, Nabila, in fact, 11 o'clock is the time that was given for them to actually come to the Central Crime Branch office. In fact, when they got that, they were not in Karnataka is the information we are getting. They were in Kerala. But at around 11:05, 11:06, both of them, Digant as well as Andrita Ray, arrived at the CCB. Now, from 11 o'clock, it went on till about 2:45. Finally, Sandeep Patil, the Joint Commissioner of Crime, came out and stated that both of them are cooperating. And apart from that, he says that at a later date, when they need more information, they will summon them. 5 minutes later, Digant also came out. He says that, see, investigations are going on and we are cooperating with the authorities, and we will come over here whenever they call us. Now, the biggest difference is this. Ragini, in fact, Ragini Dwivedi, her name popped up when her friend, her close associate Ravi, who works in the RTO, he brought her name, and it is through him that the officials went about trying to investigate and found out that she actually took part in these parties where drugs were consumed, where drugs were peddled. On the other hand, when you're talking about Digant and Andrita, what we are told is that few individuals brought their name up. There are allegations that they consume drugs. These are just mere allegations, and that's one of the reasons why they were called today, in order to figure out what was happening there, and also about their relationship with one Rahul, who's also an accused. Now, Rahul, in fact, is a close associate. In fact, Raki brother. This is what Sanjana Galrani always stated. And Rahul has been seen not just with Sanjana Galrani, but also with various other politicians.
We saw him with R. Ashok as well. Rahul with BJP leader R. Ashok. Also, pictures have come out. Now, that's precisely what the question is here. What is the line of questioning and the line of probe? The CCB now is going into those who are consuming drugs or peddling drugs. That's the whole ambiguity here. But Nolan, thank you very much for now for joining us with those details.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.